Okay, so today I'm going to be evaluating the limit as x approaches 4 of x plus 2 over x minus 4. So in this video, I'm going to be looking at this problem 3 different ways. First and foremost, I'm going to start by using a table. Then I'm going to find each of the one-sided limits. And then I'm going to be looking at the graph in Desmos. So to begin, I'm going to start by making the graph. And then I'm going to start by using numbers that are lower than 4. So 3.9 will be the first number that I use. So f of x equals 3.9 plus 2 over 3.9 minus 4, which equals 5.9 over negative 0.1, which equals 59. Then the next number that I'm going to use is 3.99 plus 2 over 3.99 minus 4, which equals negative 599. The next number I'm going to use is 3.999 plus 2 over 3.999 minus 4, which equals negative 5,999. So then, as I am continually using negative numbers, what I'm noticing is that the function becomes more and more negative. So that's telling me so far that the left-hand limit is negative infinitely. Now I'm going to look at numbers that are larger than 4. And then I forgot to do this, but evaluating this limit up here, if I put 4 in here, 4 plus 2 over 4 minus 4, which equals 6, over 0. Obviously, I can't do that because that number is undefined. So putting 4 in doesn't work. So I'm going to start using numbers that are larger than 4. So I'll start off with, we'll put 4 in here, put it as undefined. And then for starting with 4.01, we'll put it in here. So f of x equals 4.01 plus 2 over 4.01 minus 4, which equals 6.01 over 0.01, which equals 601. Okay, so we just evaluated 4.01. Let me see. Okay, so next I'm going to put f of x of 4.1 over 4.1 minus 4, which equals 61. We'll put 4.1 up here as well. And then lastly, we'll put 5, which is kind of a jump, but as I can see that after 4, the limit continues to increase. So we'll just put in 5 as the last one. So f of x, 5 plus 2 over 5 minus 4 equals 7 over 1, which obviously equals 7. So as x gets closer to 4 from the right, the values become larger and larger. So then from that, I can conclude that the right-hand limit is positive infinity. And then because both of the limits are different, I can conclude that the two-sided limit does not exist. So then moving on to Desmos. Y equals x plus 2 over x minus 4. Okay. So we can see here that as the graph approaches x equals 4 from the left, we can see that it continues downward. But then when we look at x approaching 4 from the right, it continues to increase. So looking at this graph, you can tell that the two-sided limit does not exist.